Hi, friends. Today during math time, we are going to start talking about addition. Addition is when you take two numbers and you put them together to make one bigger number. Can you repeat after me? Addition is when you take two numbers and put them together to make one bigger number. Great job. Sometimes you might also see the word add. That still means that you're taking those two numbers and putting them together to make one bigger number. On this picture right here, it is showing 3 chocolate chip cookies and 4 more sprinkle cookies. When we add, we're going to take the 3 chocolate chip cookies and put them together with the 4 sprinkle cookies. And now all together we have 7 cookies. We know that we added it because 7 is bigger than 3 and it's also bigger than 4. This is the plus symbol. The plus symbol, or sometimes we call it the plus sign, is something you see that goes in between your parts. So down below, you're going to see the plus sign in between the 3 for 3 chocolate chip cookies and the 4 for 4 sprinkle cookies. The plus sign is what tells us we're going to add, put the numbers together. There is also something called an equal sign or an equal symbol. You could hear it both ways. An equal sign is when you add two numbers, it gives you the total, how many altogether. So when I'm looking at this number sentence, 3 plus 4 equals, I know that I'm going to look for how many all together. 3 plus 4 equals how many all together? We found out that it was 7. There are a lot of different ways that you can add. You can use pictures, your fingers, 10 frames, number lines, number bonds, or just numbers all by themselves. Today, we're going to practice adding with pictures. You might remember doing something similar to this in class. We have done adding many times before, but it just hasn't looked the same. We haven't included a number sentence that has a plus sign and an equal sign in it. So today, we're going to practice adding numbers using a number sentence and adding pictures to those numbers. Today, we're also only going to be focusing on adding numbers up to 5 because we want to get really good at that. Sometimes we call that fluency, which means it can be just right off the top of your head when you know the answer. Ready to get started? Remember that our strategy we're going to use, our very first one, is going to be drawing a picture. That means that you're going to put a picture under each number. So for this example, they have 3 blue circles that are going to go under the number 3 and 1 yellow circle that is going to go under the number 1. And when you count them all up, that equals the total, which is the number 4. Let's practice this together. This is our number sentence. And remember, we're going to use our strategy of drawing a picture. Our number sentence says 1 plus 1 equals. Our job is to draw a picture to go with that. So I'm going to add 1 red circle and 1 blue circle. And how many circles do I have altogether? I hope you said 2 because that's the answer. Great job. Let's try it again. This is our number sentence. 2 plus 3 equals. For this one, I am going to have 2 green bears and 3 red bears. How many bears do you see all together? Did you say 5? We have 5 bears all together. 2 green plus 3 red bears equals 5 bears all together. Let's do it again. This is our number sentence. 1 plus 2 equals. I'm going to have my number 1 be the picture of a rainbow, and my number 2 have 2 rain clouds. How many do I have all together? 1 rainbow plus 2 rain clouds equals how many all together? You got it. 3. Let's try it again. This is our number sentence. 1 plus 4 equals. Can you remember what the plus sign means? If you remembered that means add, so that you're putting the numbers together, great job. For this one, I'm going to have 1 sun and 4 clouds. 1 sun plus 4 clouds equals how many altogether? I hope you said 5. Let's do it again. Ooh, this is our number sentence. 2 plus 2 equals. For this one, I'm going to have 2 daisies plus 2 tulips equals how many flowers altogether? If you said 4, awesome job. Let's try this one more time. This next one might be a little sneaky. Our number sentence is 0 plus 1 equals. Remember that 0 means nothing, which means nothing should go there at all. It's empty. So I'm not going to put anything underneath my 0. But I do need to put something underneath my number 1. So 0 plus 1 butterfly equals how many butterflies altogether? You got it. It's just the number 1. 1 butterfly altogether. That's it. You did a great job practicing adding with me and using pictures to help you figure out the answer. For your activity today, you are going to have some number sentences that you are going to draw pictures to go with, and it's going to help you figure out what the total is. Remember, the total is how many altogether, and we know that the total goes after the equal sign. Ready to get started? I hope so. Great job. See you soon. Bye-bye.